Subject English Grammar. Topic phrase, but we have to do adjective phrase from phrase. Good morning, students. Take out your notebooks. Draw margin lines. Write day, subject, and date. After that, you have to do what? You have to write phrase and then you have to write adjective phrase. Our main topic is adjective phrase, but before that you must know about phrase. So that's why you have to do what? You have to write phrase like this and then start writing its explanation. It is in the form of points, so you have to make bullets for it like this. First one is phrase is a group of words but not a sentence. You can say that it is half of the sentence. It's a part of sentence that gives us idea but it doesn't have verb in it. It doesn't gives us complete meaning. Dear students, phrase is the opposite of clause. Clause is giving you complete meaning and phrase does not gives you the complete meaning. Now look at its example to make it understand. Example, the nice neighbor. Now what will we do with the nice neighbor? It does not gives you any idea related to neighbor. Now look at second one, after the meal. Like what will we do after the meal? Are we talking about the meal or are we talking about the time? So for that thing you have to do what? You have to first understand it and after that we will practice it through exercise. Now look at the definition of adjective phrase. Hope so that phrase is clear to you. Now come towards adjective phrase. Adjective phrase sometimes is called as adjectival phrase because it has adjective in it, so that's why adjective plus phrase would be adjective phrase. It's actually a group of words that describes noun or pronoun. It gives you some idea related to noun or pronoun, but it does not gives you the complete meaning. Now look at its example. A person smarter than me needs to figure this out. In this example, we have noun. Person is noun here. Smarter is adjective. And figure this out is a phrase because it is not giving you the complete meaning. Now come towards its exercise. Add adjective phrase. You have to do what? You have to add adjective phrase to the given words or half of the sentences. First one is she bought the shirt. So its adjective phrase would be in a pretty white bag. It is adjective phrase. So you have to do what? You have to write those words or sentences or group of words with black and then for adjective phrase you have to use blue pen. Second one is I looked at the sky. Adjective phrase is in the dark night. Third one is they saw the fox. Its adjective phrase is in the busy jungle. Number fourth is this is a shirt off. Now whose shirt it is? So adjective phrase here would be my little sister. At the end you have to put a full stop. You don't have to use full stop there for all the sentences. You just have to use full stop at the end of the sentence. Fifth and last one is he heard the tiger over the fence. That's it. It is the end of the topic. So draw finish line and if you have any questions or queries related to it, so you can ask us in the comment section below. Thank you, students.